Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So this intro is going to be short because I am running late. I have an appointment for a facial for 11:45. It's currently 11:30 and it's like 20 minutes drive to the place. I wanted to do something for myself as the year is coming to an end, so I decided to let someone else do my facial for me instead of me doing it myself. I've never brought something like this on this channel, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. I'm going to try to bring you guys along, with the steps, processes, and hopefully I'm going to a familiar place. The lady is the one that does my face. She is the one that does my face wax, and she kind of gave me a hint that if I ever want to film a content like this, she's okay with being on camera and sharing the process with my people. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So that I don't run too late, let me get going. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah. Hey guys, so I am here and this is the whole setup. She stepped out for me to change, but I'm not going to be changing because I'm going to be filming and bringing you guys along. So I'm going to set you guys up here. The bed feels warm and I guess it's going to stay warm. I'm going to prop you guys here. Hopefully this is where my head is going to be. Hopefully you guys can pick up some things. Zoom in. I'm still waiting for her. I would wish she comes in now because my battery is really low. So hopefully we can grab some things. So I'm all set. They gave me this satin bonnet, even though I still have my turban under, just in case they need to like slide it down. Yes, come on in. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So this is just our second step of our double cleanse.
Alcohol, acid.
AHA.
Oh, okay.
Prep.
Okay.
Toner. And we're gonna let that dry for just a few minutes while it gets set up so you're done.
Yeah, I love the hybrids of AHA BHAs.
Me too. And it really does help with a lot of ingrowns on the body.
Yeah.
Any blemishes that you have typically.
Yeah.
It's a really good form of exfoliation.
I use the Dr. Dennis Cross one.
Okay, you do?
Yeah.
I've heard of that one.
It is, that's all I use on my face, the face cleanser. I currently started using his moisturizer, the vitamin C moisturizer. Then I have the daily wipes for the daily peel.
I started using wipes like after my waxes, and it's helped tremendously with my skin as well.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
Mhm.
So this is the new peel. And what the new peel is going to do, I'm going to keep my gloves on.
Okay.
You're going to feel it kind of tingle because it's a fresh layer of skin. What this does is I will let it sit in place for a few minutes and then I start rubbing. And the grittiness that you feel is the rest of the dead skin cells on your face coming off.
Okay.
So we just apply it all over, massage it in. Great.
The cheeks are so rosy.
Are they tingling a lot?
No, not.
So see all this on your forehead? That's all your dead skin cells coming off.
They better all come off.
I'll get them off. I will get them
Because
off.
I'm gonna be away for 3 weeks, so.
You said I better be extra exfoliated.
As long as there is the light like this, or there are lights and I'm exposed, and there is oil in my pores, it's gonna get pigmented. I'm
Bless
gonna
your
get
heart.
burnt, basically.
I hate that.
Yeah, so that is how I knew that, okay, there is no way I can leave oils in my pores. I need to like be above average with my face care. And then I realized that also have a little bit more exfoliating processes, more than the average person would require. So that has really helped with my oiliness and, you know, pigmentation
Oh yeah.
and all that.
Thank goodness it has.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna get our skin on it. So this is our Vital C hydrating face mask to kind of calm that skin down, so it's gonna be a little cold.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I love it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful before and after the facial.
Thank you.
Of course.
cute.
Absolutely beautiful.
Can you come? Do you mind being on camera?
Oh, yes. Hi.
Let's see.
She did great.
Thank you.
Of course.
Hmm.
So.
Hey, so I am done. I am here in the car, and this is my face under the same condition. You guys can decide before and after. Definitely a better after. It is. I always I love it here because there's just this, I don't know how to put it, friendliness. Yeah, it's the friendliness of their services that really makes me that makes me like it here. So it's the same place that I do get my face wax done. So it's the same place I came to get my facial. So yeah, I love it. The whole process was, I mean, carrying one along. Sometimes when you go to these spas, they don't carry you along because it's almost as if they feel like they are sharing their trade secret with you, so they don't really carry you along. But this one, she carried me along the whole process. She tells you everything that is happening. Your towel is going to be warm, or you're going to feel some tingliness. Some will just, you know, keep doing their thing because they don't just like to share the whole process. And, you know, letting you know the process is part of, I mean, aesthetics work, or, you know, being a facialist. Letting your clients, okay, what happened? Letting your clients in on the process is really important because it gives them safety and knowledge of the products you're using on their skin. In case there is any problem, you know, you can always trace it back. And, you know, the feedback from clients as well is always very important. So I really love it. I'm very how will I put it, I'm very particular with my skin, with the people I let to touch my skin. So if I'm not going to a med spa, I'm definitely not going to just anyhow spa where the people are just not well educated, because I know what it is, what it took me to get my face to this point. So I don't let everybody or anybody touch my face like that. Yeah, so this is my face, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.